I just took my valve cover off, and this is absolutely amazing. This is the inside of a 200,000+ mile engine. Look at that. I don't know about other Tacomas or other people. Absolutely amazed. I use synthetic motor oil. No particular brand, just whatever they got on special at the local auto parts store when I change my oil. And I go every 3,000 miles, and if it's black at 3,000, I will change the oil, run for about 100 miles, change it again, run for about 100, change it again. Get all that stuff flushed out. That's only once in a great while, but regularly before I go and have my oil changed, I dump a bottle of seafoam or STP motor treatment or any one of those engine treatments. I got a bottle here. That's the stuff I use. This is pulling apart the S-runner for the sake of the knock sensors. I figured I'd pull the valve covers and clean them up and paint them, make them nice and pretty, and give everything a once over while I was in here. So that's it. I'm really impressed.